Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so as you can see, the controller and the transformer arrived, and also managed to buy a driver for my locomotive, because the LGB is big enough that if there's a driver missing, you're going to notice it. So I bought it from actually these guys. I bought it from modelland.de, and they seem to package their own stuff because they're a subsidiary, I think, of ML Train, and that's their website. You have to translate everything into English, and if a modern browser up in the address bar, there's like a funny symbol of like different languages, usually like Chinese or Japanese or something, or Asian. And if you click on it, it'll translate the website into English. So very, very useful. But I ordered this stuff and it arrived to the shipyard just today. So it only took about 3 days to get here. So I got, now interesting, because I was a bit silly and I bought my set without a transformer or track, I needed to buy the controller. It's only analog because I'm not going DCC yet. And then we have a separate transformer and obviously European plug because I'm here in Germany. So one of the things to think about when you're buying your stuff online is shop around. You know, I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be amazed at how many people don't shop around. And everybody, and I'm the same, everybody goes straight for eBay, you know, straight for Amazon and all the rest of it. To put it in perspective, this transformer on its own, if I go to the LGB website, is about 70 euros. And I've seen it, you know, sort of 40, 50 pounds in some places. And then this controller, if you can find one which is brand new, and this one is clearly brand new, I've taken out the bag and out of the box. Yeah, I've seen those for 20, 25. So because I shopped around and I went to a normal train retailer here in Germany, I was able to buy that transformer and that controller for 30 euros plus €4 shipping. So that's a huge saving and really worth thinking about. You know, the nice thing about LGB is, unless you've got an enormous layout and, you know, hundreds of locomotives, you really don't need DCC. I mean, great, if you want DCC, have it. But, you know, this is all about fun, keeping it simple, and keeping the cost down, you know. So the other thing is, normally you would get two cables that connect to here, and these are just little push down connectors, and you pop the cable in, and then you have little clamps. You'll see that they go onto the underside of the track. Well, I don't have those. This didn't come with it, and I don't have them, and I'm going to save another, I don't know, 10, 15 euros on not purchasing them. So I found some red and blue cable, which is the same size type as you would get in an LGB starter set, I guess, or if you bought the connectors online. And I'm just gonna, my plan is, I'll just solder a wire to each of the tracks on the outside, just a small section, and then join them together with a Wago connector. And then, so that way I'll just have one piece of track with a couple of wires on it. It's not ideal. It would be better if I had the clamps, but, you know, to save a little bit of money, that's what I'm doing. It's my choice. And it's an old piece of track. It doesn't really matter. So I'm not that bothered about it. Anyway, that's it. So that's another way of saving money. And by the way, this, I think, was about 6 euros, which is pretty good, really. That's quite reasonable. So it's as close I could get to the existing or the normal LGB train driver on the Steins locomotive. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and next video, hopefully I'll have everything soldered up and you'll see actually something going around the tracks in the apartment. Take care.